One.
Oh my goodness! Mommy, look.
Whoa.
Half for me? Ah! Go. What's this? Hey, what's this?
Like M&M's.
Hey, what's this do?
That's a light up reindeer nose like Josie had, I think. Put it on your face.
Riley.
She went right for the bag.
Ah,
Riley, stop.
Let's see.
Wait, Craig, help him. Let's put it on.
I want to.
And just put it on real quick. Daddy'll make it blink.
No, no.
There it is, blinking.
I want to put it on. No.
Riley, stop.
Hey. Hey. No.
Your Santa hat.
Huh?
Your Santa hat.
Ah, you look like Santa.
Santa gave you a hat like his.
Let me see you. Can you smile again? You were coughing in that one.
No.
Dude, look at mommy and smile, please.
Thank you.